This is the Nokia Lumia 1320 disassembly video. For disassembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need the SS231 RF connector disassembly assembly tool and the SS305 camera removal tool. Protect the touch panel with protective tape. Push the battery cover from the shown corner to open it. Remove the battery cover. Unscrew the 11 Torx Plus size 5 screws in the order shown. Do not use them again. Discard them. Slide the SRT6 to direction shown to release the top end of the D cover. Open the left side of the D cover by sliding the SRT6 to direction shown. The bottom end of the D cover can be released by sliding the SRT6 from both corners towards the USB connector as shown. The D cover can now be separated. Use the dental tool to lift up the IHF speaker. Be careful not to injure yourself with the sharp end of the dental tool. Remove the IHF speaker. Remove the adhesive remains from the IHF speaker and discard them. Use the dental tool to remove the IHF speaker adhesive from the D cover. Discard the IHF speaker adhesive. Release the vibra with the dental tool. Remove the vibra. Release the flash LED flex with the dental tool. Push from the shown hole with the dental tool to release the flash LED flex. Remove the flash LED flex. Do not use it again. Discard it. Use the SS231 to open the RF cable connector. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. Place the SS231 on top of the cable. Slide it to the direction shown to lock it to the connector. Lift up the SS231 to open the connector. Open also the other end of the RF cable with the SS231. Unscrew the 3 Torx Plus size 5 screws in the order shown. Do not use them again. Discard them. Lift up the board-to-board bracket and remove it. When opening connectors, be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. Use the SS93 to open the battery connector, the side key flex connector, the display connector and the touch flex connector. Use the SS93 to release the engine board from the 2 shown hooks holding it. The engine board can now be separated. Use the SS305 tool to remove the camera. Use the dental tool to remove the shown main camera sponge. Do not use it again. Discard it. Be careful not to damage the engine board. Lever out the bottom shielding lid from all sides with the dental tool. Be careful not to damage the engine board. Remove and discard the bottom shielding lid. When releasing the rubbers, be careful not to damage the engine board. Release and remove the side key, display, battery and the touch panel connector rubbers with a dental tool. Do not use them again. Discard them. Release also the bottom AV connector sponge with the dental tool. Discard it. Use the dental tool to remove the shown top AV connector sponge. Do not use it again. Discard it. Be careful not to damage the engine board. Remove and discard the front camera rubber. Lever out the top shielding lid from all sides with a dental tool. Be careful not to damage the engine board. Remove and discard the top shielding lid. Remove and discard the 3 shown thermal pads. To remove the battery, the 2 shown battery adhesive tabs needs to be pulled directly to the directions shown. Do not use the adhesives again. Discard them. Lift up and remove the battery. Release the RF cable from the hooks and remove it. Use the SS93 to open the side key flex connector. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. To release the adhesive holding the subboard PWB, insert the SS93 to the place shown and slide it carefully to the direction shown. Be careful not to damage the components underneath. Lift up and remove the subboard PWB. Remove and discard the subboard adhesive. Use the dental tool to lever up the ALS proximity sensor. Be careful not to damage the ALS proximity sensor. Remove the ALS proximity sensor. Remove the adhesive remains. Release the earpiece with the dental tool. Remove and discard the earpiece. Remove and discard the earpiece adhesive. Use the SS93 to release the side key flex as shown. Do not use it again. Discard it. Remove also all the adhesive remains. Now the Nokia Lumia 1320 disassembly procedure is complete.